Question 391. How do you assess the impact of your academic production on research outcomes? Assessing the impact of academic production on research outcomes involves both qualitative and quantitative measures. I track key performance indicators like publication rates, citation counts, and the application of research findings in subsequent studies. Additionally, I gather feedback from researchers on how the produced outputs influence their work. Surveys and interviews provide qualitative insights into the perceived value of our analyses. I also analyze the extent to which our work addresses specific research questions or societal challenges. By combining these metrics, I can evaluate the effectiveness of our production processes and identify areas for future improvement, ensuring our work remains relevant and impactful. Question 392. How do you foster a culture of continuous improvement within your team? Fostering a culture of continuous improvement starts with promoting open communication and encouraging team members to share ideas and feedback. I implement regular retrospective meetings to reflect on project outcomes, discussing what worked well and what could be enhanced. Setting clear performance metrics and celebrating achievements motivates the team to strive for excellence. Additionally, I support professional development by providing access to training resources and encouraging participation in industry conferences. Creating a safe space for experimentation allows team members to innovate without the fear of failure, ultimately driving a mindset focused on growth and improvement in our academic production processes. Question 393. Describe your experience with data visualization tools and how they can enhance academic production analysis. I have extensive experience with data visualization tools like Tableau and Power BI, which are crucial for translating complex datasets into accessible insights. These tools allow stakeholders to identify trends, evaluate performance metrics, and make informed decisions. For example, in my previous role, I used Tableau to create dashboards that monitored course completion rates, enabling faculty to adjust course offerings based on real-time data. This not only improved student engagement, but also optimized resource allocation. By presenting data visually, I can facilitate better understanding and communication among diverse academic departments. Question 394. What are the key components of a CI/CD pipeline in the context of academic production? A CI/CD pipeline in academic production typically involves several key components: version control systems, automated testing frameworks, and deployment processes. For instance, I utilize Git for version control, ensuring all code changes are tracked. Automated testing with tools like Jenkins verifies that new changes do not break existing functionalities. Finally, the deployment phase leverages cloud services like AWS to push updates seamlessly. This approach minimizes downtime, enhances collaboration among teams, and fosters a culture of continuous improvement, ultimately improving the efficiency of academic delivery systems. Question 395. How do you approach troubleshooting production issues in an academic environment? Troubleshooting production issues requires a systematic approach. I begin by gathering relevant logs and data to identify the root cause of the problem, assessing both application performance and user feedback. I utilize monitoring tools like New Relic to track system health and identify anomalies. Collaboration is essential. I involve stakeholders from IT, faculty, and administration to ensure all perspectives are considered. Once the issue is diagnosed, I implement a fix, document the process, and analyze the incident to implement preventative measures. This reduces future occurrences and improves system reliability, ensuring a smooth academic experience. Question 396. Can you explain how cloud computing enhances the scalability of academic production systems? Cloud computing fundamentally enhances scalability by allowing academic institutions to dynamically allocate resources based on demand. For example, during peak enrollment periods, services like AWS or Azure can automatically scale up computing power to handle increased traffic, ensuring performance remains stable. This flexibility eliminates the need for significant upfront investments in physical infrastructure, allowing institutions to pay only for what they use. Moreover, cloud solutions facilitate collaboration among faculty and students by providing accessible platforms for online courses and resources. This ensures a consistent learning experience, regardless of the number of simultaneous users. Question 397. What role does data governance play in academic production analytics? Data governance is critical in academic production analytics, as it ensures data integrity, security, and compliance with regulations like FERPA. A well-defined governance framework outlines data ownership, access controls, and usage policies, establishing trust among stakeholders. For instance, in my previous role, I implemented data stewardship practices, enabling departments to maintain high-quality data standards while ensuring that sensitive information was adequately protected. This not only improved the reliability of reports, but also fostered a culture of accountability. By prioritizing data governance, institutions can make informed decisions based on accurate and trustworthy data. Question 398. Describe a time when you had to communicate complex technical information to a non-technical audience. In a previous position, I was tasked with presenting the findings of a data analysis project to a group of faculty members unfamiliar with technical jargon. I prepared a presentation that focused on visual aids, such as graphs and infographics, to illustrate key points clearly. I avoided technical terms and instead used relatable examples to explain the data's implications on course offerings. I encouraged questions and provided straightforward answers to ensure understanding. This approach not only facilitated effective communication, but also helped build trust and collaboration between the technical team and academic staff, enabling data-driven decisions. Question 399. How do you ensure quality assurance in academic production processes? Quality assurance in academic production processes involves multiple strategies. I implement robust testing protocols, including unit testing and user acceptance testing, to identify issues early in the development cycle. Collaboration with faculty ensures that the academic requirements are met and that the final product aligns with educational goals. Regular feedback loops allow for iterative improvements based on user experiences. Additionally, I conduct post-implementation reviews to assess the effectiveness of the solution and identify areas for enhancement. By embedding quality assurance throughout the entire production lifecycle, I ensure that academic outputs meet the highest standards. Question 400. What methodologies do you prefer for project management in an academic setting? I prefer agile methodologies for project management in an academic setting due to their flexibility and iterative nature. Agile allows for continuous feedback from stakeholders, which is crucial in an environment with diverse needs and evolving requirements. By organizing work into sprints, I can prioritize tasks effectively and deliver incremental improvements. Regular stand-up meetings facilitate communication among team members and enable quick adjustments based on feedback. This approach fosters a collaborative culture, ensuring that projects align closely with academic goals and can adapt to changing circumstances, ultimately enhancing the overall production quality. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.